There are over 180,000 motorcycle crashes every year where tyre condition or tyre choice is listed as a contributing factor. The sales guy at the tyre shop has a quota to hit. The online forum has people who have never ridden faster than 60 miles per hour. Neither of them is the right source for a decision that literally determines whether you stay on the road or leave it. Today, I am giving you the 3 motorbike tyre brands that actually earn their reputation ranked honestly, along with the 3 brands at the end that you should walk away from, regardless of the price, the sale, or what the fast-talking shop assistant tells you. One of those 3 is particularly dangerous because it looks credible, charges a credible price, and delivers results that are anything but. Stay until the end. This one matters. Number 3. Pirelli. Formula One technology in both name and reality. Pirelli's involvement in MotoGP and World Superbike as a tyre supplier is not merely sponsorship. It is an active development program where the data and compounds from racing directly influence the production tyre range within product cycles. The Diablo Rosso 4 Corsa is the clearest expression of this. A tyre with genuine race compound technology made accessible for road and track day use. The Diablo Rosso 4 Corsa uses Pirelli's Smart Net Silica technology, a nano-scale reinforcement structure in the compound that simultaneously improves wet grip, reduces heat buildup, and extends tyre life. These are ordinarily competing objectives in tyre development. Pirelli's compound engineering manages all 3 better than most of the competition. For naked sport bikes and superbikes used aggressively on road and track, the Pirelli Diablo range is the benchmark that other brands measure themselves against. The feedback at lean is precise in a way that builds confidence rather than creating nervousness, and the progressive breakaway characteristics, the tyre gives you warning before it lets go rather than braking. Away suddenly are particularly valued by experienced riders. The honest limitation, Pirelli's top-tier sport tyres are expensive, and they are not designed for maximum mileage. If you are covering 15,000 miles a year primarily on motorways, Pirelli is not the right answer. If you are doing 8,000 miles of spirited road riding and occasional track days, it almost certainly is. Number 2. Michelin. 8 tests, 8 recommendations. No other brand can say that. In the most recent comprehensive independent testing by multiple European motorcycle publications, Michelin occupied the top position in more categories than any other brand. That consistency across diverse test conditions and multiple independent methodologies is not coincidence. It is the result of a development program that is more sustained and better funded than anyone else in the category. The Michelin Road 6 is currently the benchmark for sport touring tyres. The compound uses what Michelin calls 2CT plus technology, 3 different rubber compounds in each tyre rather than the 2-compound approach used by most competitors. The third compound at the very edge of the tyre's shoulder is specifically formulated for the high temperature, high load conditions of sustained cornering. The result is grip that remains consistent from the first lap to the last kilometre of the tyre's life, in a way that riders who have experienced tyre degradation on hard mountain roads will recognise as genuinely significant. The Pilot Power 6 in the sport category delivers race-derived grip on public roads with feedback that experienced riders describe as best in class for understanding what the tyre is doing near its limits. For less experienced riders, the progressive character of Michelin's compounds provides a margin that builds confidence rather than ambushing them. The Michelin Anarchy Adventure for off-road use earns consistently high scores in category tests for its ability to perform across a wider range of surfaces than competitors without the on-road compromise that many dual-sport tyres impose. Michelin tyres are expensive. They are the most expensive option in most categories. They are also consistently the best, and the mileage they deliver relative to their nearest competitors means the total cost of ownership is often closer than the purchase price suggests. Number 1. Mitas, the best-kept secret in motorcycle tyres. Mitas is a Czech manufacturer that has been producing motorcycle tyres since 1946, and that most mainstream riders outside of the adventure touring world have never encountered. That is starting to change, and it should have changed sooner. In independent comparative testing by European adventure touring publications, Mitas tyres have outscored Michelin, Continental and Pirelli in overall ratings on multiple occasions. Consumer Reports' most recent analysis of adventure and enduro motorcycle tyres placed Mitas in the top 2 in every off-road category tested, the E07 Enduro. Sport is the clearest statement of what Mitas does better than the established brands at this price point. The compound engineering manages cold weather grip, wet surface traction, and off-road stability simultaneously in a way that requires tyres from better-known brands to compromise at least one of those objectives. The tyre performs in cold temperatures that turn competing compounds hard and unresponsive, which is critical for year-round riders and anyone who rides at altitude or in northern climates. Mitas invests in engineering and competition validation rather than marketing. The brand is the OEM choice for several European adventure bike manufacturers who evaluate tyres on performance data rather than brand recognition. That quiet, data-driven validation from professional engineers is worth more than any amount of advertising. The price point is consistently 20 to 35% below Michelin for comparable specifications. The performance in the categories where Mitas competes, seriously, is equal or better. If you have not ridden on Mitas tyres, the reason is almost certainly that nobody has marketed them at you. That is about to be the industry's problem rather than yours. The 3 brands to avoid, every one of them, avoid. Chaoyang. Chaoyang tyres appear across online marketplaces at prices that look like extraordinary value. They are not. They are manufactured to a cost specification that requires compromises in rubber compound quality, carcass construction, and quality control that the final price accurately reflects. The wet weather performance data for Chaoyang tyres in independent testing is alarming. Stopping distances on wet surfaces are significantly longer than any reputable brand in comparable conditions. Multiple riders in online communities have reported tread separation on highway speed riding, and the consistency between individual tyres from the same batch is poor enough that even their adequate results are not reliably reproducible. A. Motorcycle tyre failure at 70 miles per hour on a wet road is not a recoverable situation. The price difference between a Chaoyang tyre and a budget tier option from a reputable brand is rarely more than $40 per tyre. That $40 is not worth the risk under any circumstances. Avoid V-Rubber. V-Rubber is a Thai manufacturer whose tyres appear frequently as budget options for smaller displacement bikes and scooters. The pricing is attractive and the tyres look credible on the shelf. The compound ages poorly. V-Rubber tyres develop surface cracking and hardening significantly faster than comparable products from reputable manufacturers, which directly affects wet weather grip and cold temperature performance. Riders in higher humidity climates report tyre degradation that falls well outside the expected service life. The warranty claims process has been documented extensively in owner forums as difficult to the point of being practically non-functional. A warranty that is not honoured is not a warranty. It is a marketing claim. Avoid Kenda for anything above 70 miles per hour use. This one requires nuance because Kenda is not entirely without merit. For low-speed urban use on small displacement scooters and bikes that spend their lives below 50 miles per hour, Kenda is broadly acceptable. For anything else, for any bike that is ridden at highway speeds, for any rider who uses their tyres in varied weather conditions, for any application where the tyre is asked to perform at the level that motorcycle riding at real road speeds requires, Kenda should not be on your bike. The compound formulation is optimized for cost and durability at low speeds. It does not behave predictably at the temperatures and loads that highway speed motorcycle use generates. Multiple independent tests have recorded hydroplaning at speeds and water depths that quality tyres handle without drama. The handling feedback is vague in a way that makes it difficult to understand what the tyre is doing near its limits, which is precisely the characteristic you need clarity on when it matters most. Kenda knows this. The pricing reflects the intended application. The problem is that retailers sometimes fit Kenda tyres to bikes that will be ridden on motorways and in mixed weather by riders who assume that any tyre on a bike in a shop is appropriate for the bike's full capability range. It is not. Be specific about what you are buying and what you intend to do with it. Here is your ranked list: 11 tyre brands that earn their position through real performance data and genuine rider experience, and 3 that will let you down at the moment you can least afford it. The most important takeaway is this: your tyres are the single component on your bike with the most direct relationship to whether you come home or do not. The engine, the brakes, the suspension all work through those 4 contact patches of rubber. Spend accordingly. Drop a comment below with the tyres you are currently running and what your experience has been. I read everyone, and the most interesting ones end up shaping future videos. If this helped you make a better decision, hit subscribe. We go deep on the mechanical and practical side of owning a motorbike, the information that actually affects your safety and your wallet.